Look, most people don't realize they're quietly sabotaging their financial future every single day. Not because they don't earn enough, but because of hidden habits draining their money. Today, I'm revealing 10 destructive money habits silently keeping you broke, and how to replace them with smarter moves starting right now. If you're a young professional, freelancer, small business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator, you've likely heard of the saying, work hard, earn more, and success will follow. But the truth, income alone doesn't decide financial security, your behavior does. I spent years studying how people grow wealth from scratch, and the patterns are obvious. Those who succeed financially understand and manage their habits. They track where their money goes, make choices for long-term gains, and avoid traps keeping most people stuck financially. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 most common money habits, quietly blocking wealth, and show practical ways to break each one. By the end, you'll have a clear plan and stop losing money without even noticing, and start stacking in ways that build freedom instead of stress. One of the biggest money myths is that if you just make more, all your problems would disappear. But we all know high earners who still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they earn more, they spend more. A trap called lifestyle inflation. Another myth, that budgeting means denying yourself any fun. In reality, any budget is simply a plan for your money. Not a punishment, but a tool for control. Without one, you're financially flying blind. And maybe the most damaging myth is that debt is all bad. The truth is, some debt, like a well-managed business loan or a mortgage on a rising property, can be strategic. The real danger is consumer debt on depreciating things never needed. Once we clear those myths, we can focus on what's actually true about money today. We live in a time where information moves fast, and financial tools are more available than ever. You can invest just $5, run a business from your laptop, and learn any school online for free. But this access has a downside. Bad financial habits are easier to develop. Streaming services, buy now, pay later offers, and consistent ads push you to spend more without thinking. Social media normalizes overspending, even celebrates it. And with mostly digital payments, it's never been easier to lose track of how much money is leaving your account. The reality, wealth isn't built from one lucky break. It's made by repeating small, smart choices that add up over time. Understanding this, you can start replacing bad habits quietly draining your cash. Whether you're an employee, freelancer, or entrepreneur, wealth is built from 3 levers: earning, saving, and investing. Earning. Your income sets your base for what's possible, but it's just a start. You can earn a great salary and still be broke if you spend it all. Saving. This means keeping a portion of every dollar that you earn. It's not flashy, but it builds your safety net. Investing. This is how money starts working for you. The sooner you start, the more compounding works in your favor. Even small sums grow if invested wisely. People who get wealthy don't just work harder. They make their money work harder. Here's how to break those 10 bad habits. No budget. Set up a simple 50-30-20 budget. Impulse spending. Follow a 24-hour pause before non-essential buys. Lifestyle inflation. Keep your living expenses steady when income rises. Not tracking expenses. Use a free tracker every week. Ignoring debt. List all debts and target the highest interest first. No emergency fund. Save 1 month of expenses, then build that to 3. Delaying investing. Begin now, even with small amounts. Only one income stream. Add a side hustle or passive income. Not negotiating. Request a raise, renegotiate bills and rates. Avoiding money talks. Discuss money openly to learn and improve. This reminds me of a friend I helped out, Sarah. She was a freelance designer. She earned $70,000 a year, but had under $500 in savings. After spotting her bad habits, impulse spending, ignoring debt, and not investing, she applied this plan. She created a budget, cut $300 a month in subscriptions, and put that towards debt and savings. Within a year, she cleared $8,000 in credit card debt, saved over $5,000, and started investing $200 a month. Her income didn't explode, her habits did. And that changed everything. If you're starting with nothing, focus on this. Stabilize your income. Build a $1,000 emergency buffer. Pay off high interest debt. Save 1 month's expenses and start investing immediately. no matter how small. You can't skip these steps. Wealth grows on a steady foundation. Don't obsess over income alone. You need to start tracking your savings rate and the percentage of income that you keep. Track your net worth, assets minus your liabilities. Also, your debt to income ratio, the percentage of income spent on debt. Investment growth, how your money compounds. What you measure improves. For many, bad money habits aren't about ignorance, it's about comfort. Spending delivers a quick dopamine hit. Saving and investing, that might feel slow. The mindset shifts when you see money habits as freedom, not as restrictions. Every dollar you keep is buying your time, options, and security. You know the 10 habits holding you back and exactly how to fix them. The next step is action. Today, even if it's small, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you set up yourself to get notifications so every time I post a video, you'll be one of the first ones to get it. And also check this video out in the corner. I think you might like it.